To save frequently used charging locations, go to Charging in the Home menu and select the Charging Locations tab. Add and name the current location. You can configure individual charging settings for each charging location, such as departure times, charging limits or preferred charging times. Based on the geo-coordinates, the stored settings will be activated automatically in the future when the vehicle approaches the charging location. The Reduce AC Charging Current function is recommended if the power source has insufficient fuse protection and an overload due to excessive currents is to be avoided. Your ID can use the Automatically Unlock AC Charging Connector function to automatically unlock the charging connector after reaching the set charging destination. You can set days of the week and times when the vehicle should be charged. This setting can be stored once or repeatedly. In addition, you have the option of setting preconditioning for the air conditioning in the air conditioning item in the Home menu. Setting the lower battery charge limit ensures a minimum range for the vehicle. Only then preferred loading times will be taken into account. A full charge is not usually necessary in daily use, so you should limit the maximum charge level to max 80% to preserve the battery. Battery care mode will help you to do that. Preferred charging times help to optimize costs by controlling the timing of the charging process, e.g. using off-peak electricity or solar energy. In the main menu Charging, you can now select the different charging options.
Volkswagen.